Hello, my dear students. I hope you're all okay and enjoying your time. Our lesson today is about estimation. So, welcome to our estimation station. The first question here is, what is estimation? Hmm, Estimation is the fine art of guessing. It's about guessing or expecting something. Let's look at this picture. This man can see very well. However, he's trying to shoot. He's just guessing or expecting, and that is estimation. Let's look at this picture and estimate how many buttons there are. Quickly, don't count. Well, my estimation is that there are 8. Your estimation might be 6 or 7 or even 10. All these answers are correct. Let's count now and check. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the actual number here is 7. So all your answers are correct. So estimation is not to count. We're just guessing. Let's look at this jar here and decide how many cookies. Well, my estimation is that there are 20. What about you? They might be 15 or 17 or even 19. Well, let's count now and check. There are 16. So all your answers are correct. Let's look at this chart. Estimation is not just about numbers, it's also about length. Let's see very well and decide or estimate which one here is the tallest. Excellent, it's the pink one. Which one is the shortest? Perfect, it's the yellow one. Now, what's your guess? We're going to see some jars and decide how many objects there are. Here we have 2 jars. Jar number 1 is almost full, and jar number 2 is not full. Okay, let's see which jar has more apples than the other. Excellent, it's jar number 1. It has many apples. Okay, now which jar has less apples than the other? Excellent, it's jar number 2. Now let's look at these 3 jars. Jar number 1 is full and it has 100 jelly beans. And jar number 2 has only 50 jelly beans. Now what about jar number 3? What's your estimation? Are they 100 like the first one or 200 like the second one? Excellent, they are 50 because number 2 and number 3 are almost the same, but number 1 is full. So the correct estimation is that they are 50. Now we have 4 jars full of penny. Jar number 1 has 100. Jar number 2 has 200. Jar number 3 has 300. Jar number 4, well, what is your estimation for jar number 4? Are they 100 like the first one? Of course not. Are they 200? Maybe. Are they 300? Of course not. So the correct estimation is that they are 200. Excellent. Here we have 3 jars. Jar A, which has big objects. Jar B has very small objects or small beads. Jar C has medium-sized objects. Now, which jar has 100? The first one with big objects, or the second one with very small objects, or jar C? Yes, excellent. It's jar B. It has very small beads. So they might be 100. Your estimation is correct. Now let's see which 2 sets have the same amount. We have apples bears, and cars. Let's look at them. Apples are small, bears are very big, and cars are almost small. Which two sets have the same amount? Are they apples and bears, or apples and cars, or bears and cars? Excellent! They are apples and cars. Let's see. Here we have 7 apples, 4 teddies, and 7 cars. So the two sets that have almost the same amount are apples and cars. Which two sets have the same amount? Are they cars? Are they balls and dolls? Or balls and bees? Or dolls and bees? What do you think? Look quickly and estimate. Excellent. They are balls and bees. Let's see. Here we have 9 balls, 5 dolls, and 9 bees. So the two sets that have the same amount are balls and bees. Excellent. Now it's time to say goodbye and thank you.